much does it cost to enjoy shopping? At the Northeast Morning Market, such a pile. And now, it's about 5 o'clock in the morning. Most young people can't get up. Try it early. This is called a chicken burger. The cheapest is $2.50. How much does Brothers Chicken cost? 2 pieces of 5. This is pork. This is red bean paste. You can add any fillings at our house. Soybean powder and sesame seeds. Crushed peanuts and sugar. Professional donkey rolling. Looks so fragrant. The taste is okay. How much does the Boss donkey roll cost per kilogram? 71 per pound. This roll costs more than 8 yuan. It's more than 8 yuan if you put it down. You can add any fillings you like. Soybean flour. Finished rolling. Beef roasted for 8 cents each. Deep fried dough sticks for 2 yuan each. Brother, how much does this crab cost? 1,100 per pound. How much does a red bean paste cost? 8 cents per pound. Come on, have a caddy. Wow, this big corn. 8 cents for a big corn. Rhubarb rice is sticky. It's big yellow rice. 1 yuan a pack of soy milk. What kind of chicken siamai is this? How much for one? 5 yuan each, 7 pieces. How large is good for 5 yuan? This is the middle drawer that costs 10 yuan. 15 pieces for 3 yuan, 5 pieces for 5 yuan, 8 for 6 yuan, 3 yuan for 10 people. What does it taste like? I'll bring you to kilograms. All black rice is sold. All black rice is sold. I can't stand it at all, my friends. The more you buy, the more you buy. Large radish and potato. Carrot celery. Granulina enoki. It's only the 0.71 to make these, isn't it cheap? Oh, so cheap. I can't stand it, friends. More and more unbearable. Auntie, how much does a pound of watermelon cost? 8 cents, then you can taste the sweetness of my melon. Thanks. Let me give you a taste. And how much does this cost per pound? 25 per box. How much is 25 per box? A pound of ant. How much does this cake cost? This costs for yuan each. For yuan each. Well, even the Hua people can eat it. Tasty. It's delicious. I just ate one. Just ate one. Everyone likes to eat. He is a guest from afar. Shandong, the noodles from their hometown are finished. Give us the northeast approach. The elder sister has an I'm from Sichuan. I'm introducing it to guests from far away. The photos haven't come out yet, right? So sweet. How much for one? 6 yuan this is. What does this look like? Chew it. Just like that sugar cane. Have one. Get one so you can withstand beatings. I vomited. Vomitad. All are big. Ken. 8 pieces too. Isn't this better than just taking out a meal? It was so sweet just now. Well, looks very good. So sweet. Ha. Oh my god, this guy's family is having a hard time. Ouch, ouch. Too sweet. Ouch. I will go. Brother, this bubble porridge is completely filled. Stop, I stopped. We're not done shopping yet. There are so many now. Let me show some restraint first. 10 yuan a cup, a few cups. 3 for 10 yuan. I'll give it thought it all morning now. I can barely feel the feeling in my hand right now. Do you know? Then there are really many. But I feel like I didn't spend too much money. We finally have it now. And now I have a bunch of them on top. There is a pile on the ground. There are too many. Let me start with the wontons. This bowl costs 8 yuan for large wontons. It's really quite big. Not the kind with a little bit of meat. You see, there's obviously a lot of meat here. Let's have another egg burger. This is called a chicken burger. The cheapest is 2 yuan and 50 cents, fresh with sauce. Looks very fragrant. There is chicken and egg in the middle with sauce on the outside. Has the scent of cumin. This is delicious to eat with wontons. I'll tell you the time. It's probably around 7 o'clock now. The young man began to sweat more. I probably didn't have a single contact when I first came here. Rarely anyway. Salty and mild is more appropriate. The smell inside is pretty good. Full feeling. Try again later. I need to go through it first. Let me try my glutinous rice cake again. I was so sticky that I glued this box directly on it. Friends, take a look. I thought it would be very sweet, but not sweet at all. Friends are not sweet at all. Then the taste is very weak. It's that rice smell. If you mix this with sugar, it should be more delicious. If you wrap it with some red bean paste and eat it together, have another bite. So sticky, so stick true friends. Just add fried siamai. I'll taste a little of each first. Fried siamai. Yeah, so crispy. See next one. Overwhelmed. Really, then this croquette. I think it's pretty good too. Delicious. Fried leaf dumpling. Is this what I am in now? When I first bought it, I already rejected it in my heart. Which one should I probably eat? What about the second one? It's the one that I just found very fragrant. Then there happened to be a big brother who just finished eating one. I immediately went to buy another one. I think this designated one is very fragrant, right? It just feels like an ordinary leaf box. And what about the noodles outside? Taste a little harder. Then there are vermicelli inside. Take a look at these things. Leeks, eggs, etc. I also tried this blueberry just now. Let's eat it like a rich man. Come and eat it. Wow, there's quite a lot of bean paste in it. It's just the old-fashioned bean paste bread. Let's see who gets a bowl. Who can you try to get a bowl? This piece is too big. one is really sticky and glutinous. And it's really real. My wontons are still small. I have eaten many. Quite a lot. Generally speaking. In the Northeast morning market, 100 yuan can make you spend a lot of money. I really can't spend all my money. It's a feeling that I can't spend enough time with. It really makes my hands sore from carrying it. Can't feel my hands? I can't spend all my money, hahaha. I probably don't even have 100 yuan now. What? I haven't even settled the accounts yet. Today, we took pictures here first. Goodbye next time.